मडगांवच्या फामाद होली स्पिरिट चर्चीचे फेस्त आयतारा मोठ्या उमेदीन मनयले. गोंय आनी गोंया भायल्या भाविकांनी आशीर्वाद घेवंक गर्दी केल्ली. होली स्पिरिट चर्च 451 वर्स मनयता. पुरुमेताचे फेस्त म्हूण मडगांवचे फेस्त फामाद. पावसा खातीर सगळो पुरुमेत भरून दवरपाचें हें फेस्त. आलू की टिक्की, पनीर का चिला, जोधपुरी मिर्ची पकोड़ा, अजमेरी सामोसे कडी, कुरकुरी आलू लुक चाट, दही भल्ला, पानीपुरी, अदरक चाय. आयकूनच तोंडाक उदक सुट्टा. सिदादे गोवाचो स्ट्रीट फीस्ट 9 जुनासान सुरू. शुक्रार, शेनवार आनी आयतारा सांजे 4:30 ते 6:30 स्ट्रीट फीस्ट लोकांक उक्तो आसतलो.
In the month of June and July, which is on a Friday, Saturday and Sunday, the 3 days, the weekend that we see a lot of people, a lot of travelers coming from all across the country to Goa. But due to the monsoon, due to the heavy rain, sometimes they can't go out. And who would not love a hot chaat, hot pakodas, hot samosas, along with adrak ilaichi chai in a kullad that too. So we are serving this specialities of the street, roadside food I would say, but of course in a very neat and clean way, in a very hygienic way, very tasty way at the Dosaria at Siddhartha Goa every weekend in the monsoons. Street feast, or rather charts that all of us eat. All of us know that there is a prominent use of potatoes, but here this year we experimented with a few different ingredients. We used suran, we used corn, we used raw banana and tried to make them into charts. I hope to see you there when you come and try it. Very different ingredients as well, but you wouldn't miss the potatoes all the time. There are of course potato and other vegetables also being used, but suran, sweet corn and yam and raw banana, these are different things that one should try.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. नमस्कार.